Condensed milk toffee or caramel toffee is a sweet candy which you can easily prepare at home, but most of the times we do not prepare it very well at home, thereby getting burnt or very hard toffee. In this video, I share with you all you need to know to achieve a soft condensed milk toffee even when it stays in the refrigerator for days. I'm Yummy Cash and you're welcome to this channel. Your presence is highly appreciated. So I have my condensed milk I made, and I'll leave a link in the description box showing you how I did this condensed milk. Next is my half teaspoon of salt, some lemon juice, vanilla essence, and a tablespoon of butter. So I'm going to be explaining to you later why I'm using all these ingredients. But first of all, let's start. Add all your ingredients into your saucepan. I added 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, salt, and my butter, and then transfer it onto your heat. Now let me explain to you why I added all these extra ingredients. Let's take the salt first. Combining salt and sugar makes your toffee taste unique and also help reduce the sweetness of the toffee. Let's go to the butter. The butter makes the aftermath of the toffee so soft, and the lemon helps the toffee to become chewy and not crystallized. So, the time duration depends solely on many factors, but mine took 45 minutes to fully achieve the consistency and the color I am going in for, because my heat was low and high. Whenever I see the toffee wants to get burnt, I lower the heat and also stir continuously without leaving it. So most people add oil to their saucepan before doing it, but as you realize, I added no oil. So another tip is to use a non-stick pan. So here the toffee almost got burnt. When you realize this, stir continuously and quickly and lower your heat. When you do this, the color becomes uniform.
Yummy Cash.
Now, see how beautiful it is. And that is the color I'm going in for. Take it from the heat and allow it to cool a little. Oil your palm and the working surface. Roll it out and start shaping them to the sizes and the shapes you want.
Yummy Cash.
I hope you learned something and I hope you did enjoy this video.
Yummy Cash.
I went in for the heart shape. I'm Yummy Cash. If today is the first time on this channel, you are so much welcome and your presence is warmly welcome and appreciated. So kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell icon, and then you are free to share. Kindly share it to your family and friend, share it to that friend on your WhatsApp, and this can be a business idea and a business, you know what I mean, because when you do this, when you shape your toffees into different sizes, the kids are going to be very much pleased with it and very much happy to buy and patronize from you. So we meet in my next video. Kindly stay blessed, stay unique, pale blood, and don't let anyone suppress you. You are beautiful.